Hello everyone, welcome to the AI in Oracle database series. In this first episode, I am going to walk you through the Oracle's transformation from a traditional database into AI-driven system it is today. For 40 years, we have been writing SQL to talk to database, but starting with Oracle 26 AI, the database is starting to talk back. Today we are tracing the journey from Oracle 11G grid-based architecture to the agentic intelligence of 26 AI database. Let's start from 11G. So the 11G, it was the era of grid computing. So the grid computing is a concept where multiple computers are connected and work together as a single unified system. Instead of relying on one powerful server, workloads are distributed across multiple machines. Oracle introduced this naming starting with 10G to highlight scalability, resource sharing, high availability and cost efficiency. Then comes the 12C. So this was the big one. It introduced the concept of container and pluggable model. Imagine being able to run hundreds of databases as a single unit. It drastically cut down the cost and the management headaches. And then we got the 18C, that is the autonomous database. This is where the things started getting smart. It introduced autonomous capabilities, meaning the database started self-patching, self-securing and self-repairing. It took the boring manual DBA tasks and automated them. Then comes the 19C. This is the gold standard for stability. The standout here was the automatic indexing. Instead of us guessing what indexes to build, the database used machine learning to watch the workload and tune itself in real time. Then comes the 21C, the developer innovation release. It brought us the native JSON data type, making the database lightning fast for modern app developers who want more than just relational rows of storing the data. Then comes the 23C. It brought us AI vector search directly into the SQL engine. The database could understand unstructured data like images or documents using vectors. So before 23C, databases were excellent at structured data like rows, column numbers and text data, but struggling with unstructured data like images, document, audio and natural language queries. With 23C, Oracle embedded AI vector search directly into SQL, allowing the database to understand and retrieve unstructured data like text, images, and document based on the meaning, not just exact matches. 23C was rebranded as 26 AI with more AI features. 26 AI, that brings us today. So 26 AI isn't just about storing data, it's about intelligence. It moves us into the agentic AI where database isn't just a bucket of data, it actually understands the meaning of data and can take independent actions using AI agents. This is also where Select AI changed the game, letting us to chat with the data in a plain English while the database writes the SQL for us. Throughout this series, we are going to deep dive into every single AI feature from vector search to LLM integration. We are going to break down every detail step by step and there is so much to explore and learn, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the rest of our AI series. If you have any questions or want me to cover a specific feature, drop a comment below or send me an email. I would love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more and I will see you in the next video.